is everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having an amazing day. And if you haven't already, let's go ahead and give the Lord some praise for allowing us to see this day that was not promised to you and I. And for that, we're going to tell him thank you. But we're going to go ahead on this Sabbath day, and we're going to read a verse from Nehemiah 8 and 10. It says, Nehemiah said, go and enjoy choice food and sweets, drinks, and send some of those who have nothing prepared, and send to some of those that has nothing prepared. This day is holy to our Lord. Do not grieve, for the joy of the Lord is your strength. Nehemiah 8 and 10. So, Nehemiah was telling us to go, and share. If we have some eat, drink, sweet, whatever, share with those that are less fortunate. And that goes with anything. If you see your brother and sister in need, help them. For your help will open up bigger blessings for God that God's going to send to you to receive. So I prepared this box right here. That was an old box that I had, and I covered it in this pattern, mind blank. And then I added this mixing bowl that I had that came in a set of 3. So I added a mixing bowl, I added a whisk, I added some fudge brownies so you can use a whisk to mix up the brownies. I added a spatula, so if you either want cupcakes or just a big old, you can use it as a mixing bowl, you can use it as a pan, whatever you want to use it as when you prepare it. So I added these oven mitts right here that says Christmas Baking Queen. Both of them say the same thing. I ordered them from Amazon in a set of 12 because I'm being lazy and don't want to make them myself. You know how we all get. We rather just have them already made instead of going up in there using our stuff to make them ourselves. That was that kind of deal. I have a few other concepts that I'm going to do with these pot holders, oven mitts, whatever you want to call them. But that has a pocket in there also. Then I got some funfetti right there. So when they get through making their brownies and bringing them out of the oven, they have this funfetti right here that they can use and add their Christmas decoration to it. Y'all, I'm getting over COVID, so the old man got it from going to a funeral. I don't go out much because I have a low compromised immune system, so I usually stay in the stuff, and the stuff that won't hurt him or kill me because I have so many elements wrong with my body, but I don't claim them. Even though I have them, I don't claim them. But so he was sick and went and got tested for it, found out he had COVID, so he's in one room and I'm in another one, so I think his symptoms transferred to me. But I took a COVID test. The first time it did not show anything. Took another one and then you could barely see the faint lines, so I've been treating it as COVID. So I've been staying in, away from people, missing my family because they can't come over and see me. But God got it under control. So, like I said, I got this funfetti icing that they can add a funfetti on there, or they can use those sprinkles right there. I got some little embellishment with the little beads, the little pine cone, and the garland, or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, this is the basket that I came up with. I got other baskets over here that I'm going to be making videos for. That's all I have to do is work and create. So I got several more that I've been working on. I just don't think about video recording as I'm making them until I'm halfway there and almost through with it. So I go on and finish it and come on here and show it with y'all. I don't have a bow prepared for this, but I think I'm gonna go with the bows. Make a bow with this chick pattern. I know it's a name for it, but guys, my mind is blank. I can't even think right now. But I think I'm gonna use this one to make a bow. So I'm gonna get up out of here so I could go ahead and keep on rolling and making my videos so I have content. I want to wish each and every one. Wait just a minute, Dana. Have y'all hit that subscribe button? If you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Would you please hit that subscribe button? Thank you. So you can become a part of my family, because I call everybody that joins my channel as my family. I would love to have you if you're new here, and if you're returning here, I want to thank you and tell you that I appreciate you for each time that you take time out your day to watch my videos. I really appreciate you, so thank you. Now, we can go on to the end. I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. Happy Sabbath day. And until my next video, you all be blessed. Peace.